Hi YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today I have a package here from Louis Vuitton. I have been waiting on this package for about 3 months. I was honestly starting to lose hope that I would ever get it, but it is finally here. Now I did already take a peek inside because I've been waiting for a long time for it. So I just had to take a look inside and everything is just perfect. I put everything back in the box just so I can officially have an unboxing with you guys. So this of course is the box that it was sent to me in, and here's what it looks like inside. So it's a small package. Here is the paperwork. And as you can see, it says it's a repair agreement. So you guys, this is a spare part. So this is actually an accessory. And actually it's one that's not all that popular. A lot of people really dislike it, but you guys, I love it. And I love it so much that I actually low-key purchased another bag because this came with it. I don't want to drag this part out, so let's just open it up. So here it is, you guys, and this is the infamous jacquard or guitar strap that came with the Speedy 20 and Damier bean. This strap is just so pretty to me, and the colors just complement Damier bean so well. I purchased my Speedy 20 last July, and you guys, I mainly got it because I really love this strap. Don't get me wrong, I like the bag, but deep down, I always kind of felt like the strap was a little too wide for a small bag, and I kind of felt like the strap really belonged on the Speedy 25. The Speedy 20, it is a really nice bag, and surprisingly it holds a lot for its size, but I honestly wasn't reaching for it, and I think what was preventing me from reaching for it, as much as I love the strap, is that it didn't come with a leather strap, and I didn't want to use this strap on it all the time. To me, this strap gives the Speedy a more casual, laid back look, and I just didn't want to go with that type of vibe with that size Speedy all the time. Now I did try to find a leather strap for it, but I was having the toughest time finding one, so I ended up just selling it and getting my Speedy 25, which was the best thing I could have done. This bag of course comes with a leather strap, and I use this bag all the time with the strap, but still I just wanted my guitar strap. When I purchased this bag, I was talking to the SA about getting a luggage tag for it. When I first got it, I was just so obsessed with getting a luggage tag, but I wasn't able to get one. It really seems like it's impossible to get one unless you have a piece of luggage in your purchase history, which I don't own yet. And you guys, let me know if that's the case. Is that the only way to get a luggage tag directly from Louis Vuitton? I've seen some leathersmiths sell handmade ones, but I just prefer a Louis Vuitton branded one. And I didn't want one pre-loved. I wanted to have one new for me to put on my bag, but after I found out that my SA wasn't going to be able to get the luggage tag for me, I did ask her about this strap. Now, for full transparency, I did let her know that I sold my Speedy 20, but she looked up my purchase history and she saw that it was there, so she was just like, well, I see it here on your purchase history, so I can get it for you. You guys, that was about 3 months ago, and again, to be honest, you guys, I almost felt like I really wasn't gonna get it, but I got an email from Louis Vuitton saying that my strap was available and it was ready to ship, and I was sent the link to pay for it, and you guys, it was delivered about a week and a half ago. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, of course, on the Speedy 25. I cannot wait to put this strap on this bag. I'm going to start carrying the bag right away, so I'm going to just take everything out of the bag that I'm currently carrying, which is my Coach Quilted Tabby 26, and we're going to switch into my Speedy, and I'll put the strap on and I'll show you what it looks like. So I really don't have a lot of stuff inside my Quilted Tabby. I have my wallet, my phone, a hand sanitizer, contact lens solution, a card case. So I just wanted to first show you what's inside, and all of that is going in my Speedy. So here is everything inside of my Speedy, and as you can see, I do have an organizer inside, and as you can also see, there is a lot of room in there as well. So technically the Speedy 20, because I don't really carry a lot, should be a nice size for me, but the Speedy 25 is just the one. I just think that it's a perfect size to wear crossbody. It's not too small, it's not too big. It really is just the perfect size. So if you're not familiar with the guitar strap that comes with the Speedy 20, it's in a very pretty neutral color, and it has brown ebene leather on both ends. The hardware is in gold. On the clips, it says Louis Vuitton, and the straps are adjustable. So let's get it attached to the bag. And here it is, you guys, my guitar strap right where it belongs on my Speedy 25. I just love the look of this strap on my Speedy 25, and I am so happy to finally have it. To me, it just gives this bag a whole new look, and it just takes it up a whole other level. Now, I know a lot of people are not fans of this strap, and actually a lot of people, when they were getting the Speedy 20, they were selling the strap. Yeah, and I was thinking to myself, like, what in the world are you doing? This is the best part of the bag. And the ironic thing about that is when I sold my Speedy 20, I sold it to Fashion File. They absolutely did not want it without the strap, but I have it back now, and I am so happy to have it, you guys. I really am. I just think it's gonna look so good carrying your top handle with the strap just hanging from it, or even carrying it on my shoulder or crossbody. It's just gonna be a look. And of course, I do have my leather strap that came with the Speedy 25. So if I ever just want to change it out from the guitar strap and just wear it with this one, I can always do that. I really do wish Louis Vuitton would sell the same 3-piece strap separately, or even the guitar straps, because not everyone dislikes them. So here is my Damier ℂ𝕠𝕟 guitar strap. It took a little while. Again, it took about 3 months for me to get it, but now that it's here, I could not be happier. And I just have a question for you guys. So again, a lot of people really don't like these straps, and I don't understand why. Now, I do understand that initially when the guitar straps were first introduced, I believe it was on the ℂ𝕠𝕟, Louis Vuitton started putting them on a lot of bags that they were coming out with. So could that be the reason why this strap is so hated? And another thing about these straps is when they were first released, they weren't adjustable. So I don't know, does that have a little bit to do with it too? I really would like to know, you guys, because to me this strap is everything. So please let me know. I really do want to know your honest opinion on why this strap is not popular among Louis Vuitton lovers. So that's going to do it for today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.